I have always been fascinated by the existence of gigantic mining equipment, especially dump trucks. Since my attendance at the 2021 MINExpo in Las Vegas, I was finally able to meet one of my heroes. Here we have the absolutely mammoth Liebherr T274 Overburden hauler. To say this truck is massive is an understatement. Standing in at 24 feet 10 inches tall, this 504,000-pound truck is powered by the equally gargantuan in-house designed and built D9816 5,048 cubic inch 82.7 liter V16 engine. This is a quad turbocharged, aftercooled, cast iron block and head diesel engine weighing in at a gargantuan 25,974 pounds. This engine creates 4,680 horsepower at 1,900 RPM and 14,475 pound-feet of torque at 1,350 RPM. Featuring a gross vehicle weight rating of 1,178,000 pounds, the T274 has a maximum haul weight of 672,000 pounds. Its dump bed can contain an approximate maximum capacity of 187.5 square meters of overburden. In addition, this truck has a maximum ground speed of around 34 miles per hour with a maximum grade speed of 9.5 miles per hour at a 10% grade. The T274 utilizes a Litronic Plus AC brushless forced air-cooled direct drive transmission with a planetary final drive and an enormous 43.7 to 1 gear ratio. Along the profile, the T274 looks like a normal dump truck, just on steroids. The truck sits on a 21-foot 6-inch wheelbase, with an overall length of 51 feet 1 inch. Steering is fully hydraulically assisted Ackerman center point lever system with an accumulator backup system, which is isolated from the dump's hydraulic system. It features 4.8 to 5 turns lock to lock, give or take, with an 18-degree steering angle left to right. Turning radius is 56.5 feet on the center tire lines. The wheels. The wheels are huge. 38 by 63 inch bolt-ons with 60 bolts each. The tires are basically the biggest I've ever seen on any vehicle. They are Bridgestone Mastercore V-Rev tires that measure 53/80 R63, and each of the 6 tires cost around $35,000 a piece. Primary brakes are electronic dynamic braking with dry disc service and secondary systems. Front brakes are single disc inboard mounted per axle with 5 calipers per disc. Rear brakes are dual disc per axle with single calipers per disc. Inside the operator cab is surprisingly comfortable and well designed, featuring a small, comparatively speaking, steering wheel with integrated horn and adjustments for tilt. Instruments are backlit and easy to read with a 50 mile per hour speedometer, calibrated to kilometers, and a 2,000 RPM tachometer. Additional gauges provide readouts for fuel level, volts, coolant temperature, and oil pressure. For ease of operation, a larger touchscreen display shows various readouts relative to the task of this truck. Some include precise engine RPM readouts along with current load weight, load cycles, to name a few. So there you have it. That is the video of the Liebherr T274 Overburden hauler. We hope you found the review informative, and if you did like it, please comment down below. Of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.